Hi, it's Colleen and welcome to the WOW YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share a brand new release with you and announce the June challenge winner. If you like what you see here, hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video. So WOW has come out with a new release for the holidays that includes 5 trios, 3 individual powders, and several stamps, sentiments, and stencils. Now, the powders are all centered around the holidays, and the colors range from vibrant and fun, like these cocktail party ones here, to subtle and pastelish, to mysterious. And you'll see that as I show you. Now, these are opaque powders, so I wanted to show you what they look like on black cardstock. Opaque powders will show up on dark cardstock as well as light cardstock. And so I like to show you both of them so that you get an idea what they look like. Now, these are a little bit more of a fun and flirty type of trio that can also be used on dark cardstock as well because they are opaque, which means that the color beneath it will not show through. And here's what they look like on dark cardstock. They look a lot different, but I like how that looks on the dark because the different colors come out depending on whether you use light or dark. This is a little bit more of a mysterious trio, and I really like this for the holidays. And this also is opaque, so you can use it on dark cardstock. And there are some ultra high powders in there as well that will give your card more interest and texture. And then we have a trio here that are glitter. These are all glitters. And there's a white glitter that looks just like snow. And I have a few cards that I use with that glitter because I thought it was so cool. Look at the texture in there. You can make a really pretty card with a snow scene on there using this color. And again, this trio is in our glitter line. Aren't they beautiful? And then we have more of a pastel trio that I think would be really pretty for some of your softer cards for the holidays. But they have just as much bang for their buck as the more vibrant colors. And I'll show you later on what those look like. Now we have 2 individual ultra high powders that are beautiful. Look at that. That one's called Red Apple. And then the other one is called Ebony. I think of the song Ebony and Ivory when I think of this, which I'm probably aging myself significantly with that. And this might be my favorite one in the whole line because it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't get enough of looking at that one. So now that I've showed you the entire line of powders, let's move on to the stamps, stencils, and sentiments. There's a whole heap of them here, guys, and they're so much fun. We're going to start with the stencils here. We have a couple of snowflake stencils that are perfect as a focal point or as a background. And I don't know if you realize this, but our design team does a lot of the designing of these new releases, which is amazing. And their names are listed on there if you're interested. You have a star, and you also have a tree scene that you can make with your stencils as well. So you can create a lot of scenes with those. Now, the stamps are nice because they're not only for Christmas, they're for Hanukkah as well. And you have some pretty background stamps like this one that would be the perfect background that will go with the sentiments that are in this release. The same with this one, and this is actually one that's nice for you who like to color. You can color the presents, add some powders, and your sentiment. And this is a really pretty abstract that could be used year-round. I have a really cool card to show you later on with that. The sentiments, I think, are a lot of fun. These are really big sentiments, which I think could be a great focal point for your Christmas card to make a quick and easy one. But then we have some of these here where you can mix and match the sentiments to convey the message that you want to convey to your sender. And I like that they have different fonts and they have different messages, and you have a great variety here to mix and match your cards. So let's talk about some of the beautiful cards that came in for our June challenge. These are some of them that are so beautiful. I wanted to share them with you today. And later on, I'm going to show you the winner of the June challenge. But first, I'm going to go and show you the cards that I made using our new release. This one uses Putting on the Glitz, the white glitz that looks like powder. And I used It's the Season and Modern Winter and Forest. And this one I used the same things, only I used Putting on the Glitz, the green glitz. And you can see how nicely that shows up on black cardstock. It's really pretty. But I wanted you to see what it looks like on white and what it looks like on dark cardstock. You got a lot you can do here with those powders. Now, this is the abstract one I wanted to show you earlier. I stamped it, reversed the stamp, and stamped it again. Isn't that cool? And then I did Hope and Positivity powder, and then Peace, Love, and Joy sentiment on that one. And I really like how that turned out. This is the one that I did using the In the Forest stencil and Moonlight trio. And I did a little ink blending just to give it a little bit of a softer look, but I love how this turned out. And here I just wanted to show you how the stars look using the Starry Night and the Merry Sentiments, and then that Pinkalicious trio that is opaque and can be used on dark cardstock. And I did color this one up so you could see how pretty and vibrant and cheerful this could be. And then I added embossing powder to the ribbons, and then I finished with the It's the Season sentiment. Very easy card. This one I actually used the Gina K Designs template where you can make a wreath, the Build-A-Wreath. And I used Snowy Christmas and Winter Dreams trio. And I really think that that soft pastel color against the black is just stunning. I love that. That might be one of my favorites. This is a favorite too. I use the Winter Wishes and Snowflake Dance, and then I use the Winter Dreams, and they look really, really pretty. Now, this is the one that I told you about earlier where I used one giant snowflake, and then I used the white glitz from Putting on the Glitz, and it really stands out on that black cardstock. And this card I didn't finish, but I wanted to show you what the glitz red glitter looks like on dark cardstock. So these are all my cards, and I hope you got some good ideas using the new release for your holidays. And now it's time to announce the winner of the June challenge. And the winner is Sadia Ashraf. Sadia, please get a hold of Joe Herbert to claim your prize, and congratulations, your card is beautiful. I'm so happy that you joined me today and that you are excited about the new holiday release. The release is live now at the UK store, and it will be available in the United States store soon. So stay tuned. Everything's in the description box below, and thank you for coming by.